All right, good morning and good evening, Mr. X's class. We're here to talk about the word of the day for today, which is furthermore for English 4. So, furthermore is a word that means you use it to add information. So it's in addition to what has just been stated. Furthermore is used especially to add a point to an argument. And it says, note, furthermore is similar to in addition to. So, in Spanish, además. So the big thing to notice about the word furthermore is that you might look and it says adverb. You say, why is that an adverb? So it's an adverb. It's a special kind of adverb called a conjunctive adverb. And what is a conjunctive adverb? So a conjunctive adverb is a word that basically connects ideas. This word is a conjunctive adverb, connecting ideas usually between sentences or between two parts of the same sentence that are connected with a semicolon, which is, remember, semicolons are basically like periods, so they function like periods. So it's basically connecting ideas between sentences. You can think about it that way. Between sentences, or if you put a semicolon. So it is not a conjunction. It's not a conjunction. So what is a conjunction? A conjunction connects ideas within the same sentence, like the word and, for example. I have a dog, comma, and his name is Bob. Right? Comma and in the same sentence. But conjunctive adverbs are not like that. They're in like two different sentences. You're saying that you're showing how the sentences are connected in some way. So like here we're saying furthermore is like adding. It's like we're saying we're adding to what we're already talking about. And usually, as it said, it's for arguments. We're giving an argument. So, Mom, you should let me go out this weekend because I did all my homework. Furthermore, I cleaned my room. So that would be, I did all my homework, period. Furthermore, comma, I cleaned my room would be one way to do that. So the word furthermore there, the word furthermore is connecting. It's like one reason to do something, usually like you're giving an argument. You have one reason, and then you give, when you use the word furthermore, it's because you're giving another reason. Like also, another reason to support my argument is this. And so how can you write it? So it's, as I said, it's not a conjunction. So you can write it with a period. So here's an example. School can give you new opportunities, period. Furthermore, it can expand your mind. So those are two reasons to go to school. And we have a period there in between, period. And then we have the word furthermore, and then we have a comma after the word furthermore. So that's one way to do it correctly. Another way to do it correctly, if you want to put it in one sentence, you have to use a semicolon. So same thing. School can give you new opportunities. Semicolon, furthermore, and then you put a comma over there, comma, it can expand your mind. Those are both correct. But the most common mistake with this kind of word is that its function is kind of like, it's like a conjunction because it is in the sense that it's showing how two ideas are connected to each other. So it seems like a conjunction. So people think it's a conjunction, but it's not a conjunction. So when I say it's not a conjunction, that means you cannot put a comma. Commas are incorrect for this right here. Comma after the word, so you have a comma after the word, but before the word furthermore, you can have a period or a semicolon, but not a comma. If you put a comma before that word, that's wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Here it's wrong. 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 No comma. So that's the thing to remember. Remember that it seems like a conjunction in a way in its meaning, but it's not. It's not, because the punctuation rule is different. The punctuation rule is, it's two different sentences. It's connecting ideas in two different sentences. This usually goes at the beginning of the second sentence is where you put it, usually. And as I said, comma, period before or semicolon before, comma after. That's the most common pattern with this word furthermore. We have another sentence over here, which is with furthermore talking about reading. Reading is a good way to learn new vocabulary words, semicolon, furthermore, comma, it can improve your ability to spell words correctly. So those are two arguments for why you should read. So furthermore is usually for arguments, when you're persuading somebody of something. You give one argument and then you add a new argument after that. And so why is it an adverb? Because all these kind of words, they're called conjunctive adverbs. They're a special kind of adverb. For example, if you know the word however, however has the same punctuation rule. However is like a synonym for but. has the same punctuation rule. And you've had several of these at different levels in your vocabulary, but I just wanted to review again what the rules are for punctuation, because it can be hard for people. And synonyms, moreover, besides, or in addition, those are also all conjunctive adverbs. They all have the same punctuation rules, but no word families. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy your evening.